With this recipe, say bye-bye to hair breakage, stagnant hair growth, and hair thinning. Do you know that the reason why you feel like your hair is not growing, you're not retaining length, because your hair is breaking the same way it's growing? So if you can tackle the problem of that hair breakage, believe me, you will have a lot of length retention. Your hair will grow so long, thicker, fuller, and healthier. So on today's video, I bring to this powerful recipe that will help you to achieve that your hair goals and solve those your hair problems, that stagnant growth, hair thinning, and hair breakage. So if the video sound like what are interesting, you need to stick around, and please make sure you watch the video to the end to get all the whole instruction on how to use it and also how to prepare it. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's recipe.
To be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs.
Do you know that there are some ingredients you need to put together to solve those hair problems and also to achieve your hair goals? My first ingredient on today's recipe is black seed. Do you see this tiny seed? Don't ever joke with it. If you are ready to grow your hair, if you are serious on your hair growth journey, you do not need to joke with this black seed, because this black seed packed with a lot of nutrients, a lot of benefits that will help you to achieve that your hair goals. So I will tell you their benefits as this video progress. I use 1 tablespoon of my black seed. Moving on to my second ingredient is flaxseed. This flaxseed is another powerful ingredient you need to start cooperating, and there are different ways you can use flaxseed on your hair. So on today's video, we are doing another version of it, okay? So I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my flaxseed. The last but not the least is Star Anise. If you have not started cooperating Star Anise, please start it. It helps so much on your hair growth journey, okay? Star Anise is a very powerful ingredient that you don't need to sleep on, meaning you don't need to joke with it. So I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my Star Anise. Guys, if you are ready to tackle that hair breakage, hair thinning, hair fall, slow hair growth, you do not need to joke with this recipe, because this recipe is super powerful and super effective. So once I transfer my Star Anise into my jar container, I will move on to bring in my hot water, okay? Because as you know, I love doing infused method. You can also prepare this recipe by boiling method, but believe me, when you try infused method, guys, the results are not the same. I'm not kidding. So try to do more of infused method than boiling method, so that it can get more quicker and more faster results with your tea sprays, okay? So after pouring in my hot water, I will cover it and keep it to infuse for 12 hours or overnight, okay? So you can infuse it 24 hours or 12 hours or 8 hours, but the longer you infuse it, the better results you got. I know that the reason why many of you prefer boiling method than infused method, because infused method take longer time and boiling method is very easy and very fast to use. But believe me, if you can have that patience and do infused method, you will get more better results, okay? Just try to apply patience and get best results with your tea sprays, okay? So the next day, this recipe is ready to be used. As you can see, the way it look is more darker, more richer than earlier we fused it, meaning the ingredients have released their nutrients into the water, making this tea spray very powerful and very potent. So I'll be needing a help of bowl and a help of shifter to collect my tea spray. Guys, once I collect my tea spray, I'll bring my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. You can also go further by adding your essential oil oil on it, okay? But I did not add any of it because I choose to not to add any essential oil on it, okay? So feel free to do the one that you like, okay? Because only this tea spray alone is very powerful, very potent, and very effective. So I do not need extra thing on it, okay? So our tea spray is ready to be used, but there are some important steps you need to follow, and also there are things you need to know before you apply this tea spray on your hair to achieve that best result and also to solve those your hair problems. So before we dive into that, let's talk about the benefits of these ingredients we use on today's recipe. Our first ingredient is Star Anise. This beautiful spice is not just for cooking. It is loaded with antioxidants that stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, wake up dormant hair follicles. It also fights dandruff, strengthens your hair roots, and add incredible shine to your hair. Our second ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed are like a superfood for your hair, are rich in omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin E, which deeply nourish your strands, reduce breakage, and keep your hair moisturized and soft. It also forms a natural gel-like texture that coats the hair shafts from protection. Our third ingredient is black seed. Black seed is famous for reviving hair thinning. It strengthens weak hairs, prevents premature grains. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Keep your scalp healthy for unstoppable hair growth. So these are the things you need to achieve that thicker, longer, fuller hair. When your hair is weak, believe me, your hair will break excessively and you will not retain length at all. And when your hair is very healthy, you see a lot of length retention and your hair will grow like crazy. So all you need now is to use this recipe the way I'm about to direct you now, so that you can achieve all these amazing benefits this ingredients packed with, okay? How to use this tea spray to get faster results and to solve those your hair problems is: first, apply it on a clean scalp. A clean scalp, I means if your hair is dirty, if you have not washed your hair 2 to 3 weeks, please do not apply this tea spray because your hair is dirty, unless you are not using too much product on your hair. But if you are the one that always apply product on your hair, please wash your hair, let your hair be clean before you can start using the tea spray. Why I'm always saying this? Because this is the way you can get that faster result. When your scalp and your hair strands are super clean, it will help products to work better, to work faster, okay? So please don't use it on a dirty hair, okay, for that faster results. And after applying the tea spray on your hair, please follow up with your leave-in condition and your hair oil. Then massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very, very important if you want to get that faster results. Focus the tea spray any of your problem area and you see that magic happen, okay? So second way you can use the tea spray to see that faster result to solve those your hair problems is final thin rinse. Let it be the last stage of your wash day. Then pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover up your hair as long as you wish. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. It depends on your time. It depends on you. Remove the shower cap or the cellophane nylon, then rinse it off. But I would advise you not to rinse it off. Allow it to sit on your hair, then moisturize your hair and go ahead and put your hair in a protected hairstyle or start enjoying your hair. You start seeing your hair growing like never before. So if you are struggling with breakage, dryness, or slow hair growth, this simple tea spray can make a whole difference. Give it a try for 2 to 3 weeks and watch your hair transform. Please UDT spray 3 times in a week, okay, for that best results. And storage, this spray can last only but 7 days in your refrigerator. Discard it and make a fresh batch. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who is also on their hair growth journey. And please tell me in the comment section below which of those 3 ingredients is your favorite for hair. Okay, let me know in comment section below. I've come to end of today's video. Please, if there's anything I did not cover up, please let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.